show you what it looks like having 3 kids in the minivan. Here's Sawyer, all snuggled up. And there's his brother Parker. Hi Parker! Can you say hi Daddy? And McKenna in the back seat watching her show. Hi McKenna. Hi Pretty.
Do we have lots of room in here?
Yes.
Yes. Is it lots of fun, Parker? Are you dressed like Santa Claus even though it's the summertime? Yes. What do you think, McKenna? Do you like this better than our minivan?
Yes.
Yes. What do you think, Ashlyn?
Yeah, I do. We should keep this van all day long.
We should keep this truck all day long?
All
All day? What do you think, Sawyer?
day. Good.
Good. Okay, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Okay, Sawyer, wave bye.
Hey, Mommy. Bye.
Ready to go bye-bye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye McKenna.